So hello guys, and welcome back to our channel, and we are back with another video on Bitcoin because it is currently booming and we are seeing crazy headlines being created currently in Bitcoin. And we're going to be talking about one more important factor of this bull run and what's currently pushing this price so much in Bitcoin. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are currently at coinmarket.com, and if we just take a quick overview of the market right now, we are at around $1.94 trillion in global market cap, up around 4.67% from the past day. And if we just take a look at our basic overview of what's happening in Bitcoin right now, we can see that Bitcoin is currently trading just under 52k, which it was just at, and it's currently at $51,978, down about 0.82% in the past hour, up around 5.17% in the past 24 hours, and also up around 16.71% in the past 7 days. So we have moved crazy numbers in Bitcoin in the past times, as you can even see if we take a look at a quick overview of the last 7-day graph. It has seen a positive great green movement, and we are moving crazy numbers in Bitcoin as usual. And if we just take a look at our any articles on the Bitcoin demand, this is where we see another rising problem, that there's more demand of Bitcoin than there is supply. So this is what's causing the Bitcoin price to jump so much. If we take a look at this article from yahoofinance.com, we can see Bitcoin briefly climbs over 52k as ETF demands boom. So even if we take a look at this article, it says Bitcoin BTC USD briefly soared back above 52,000 Wednesday, with Citizens GMP senior research analysis Devin Ryan attributes to favor supply and demand dynamics. Joining Yahoo Finance Live, Ryan says demand still has room to grow, given the spot Bitcoin ETF adoption being in its very early stages. As ETF exposure expands, Ryan expects further demand boosts for Bitcoin. He believes Bitcoin ETF offerings are the right wrapper for certain types of investors. As exposure grows, he believes it will benefit platforms like Coinbase. So this is what we are seeing currently in Bitcoin right now. We are seeing huge demand even in the ETF and also in Bitcoin itself, because as demand continues to grow, the price also grows. So there is more demand than there is supply. That's what's pushing the price so much, because more people want Bitcoin than people want to sell, and as that happens, that's what drives the price crazy. Now we have just hit crazy numbers in Bitcoin, as we have just gone over $1 trillion in market cap, as we talked about on the live stream and in the previous video, and $1 trillion in total market cap in Bitcoin is a crazy number, considering these are very huge numbers, trillions of dollars being put in online digital currency. Now if we look at the global market cap, Bitcoin is well over 50 to 60% of the global market cap. Our global market cap is around 1.94 trillion, and Bitcoin is 1.01% of that total market cap. So we're above 50% of the total market cap with just one coin. So that explains how big of a coin Bitcoin is. And if this rises, this is what's causing most of the other cryptocurrencies to rise also. If we look at these numbers, Ethereum up 13.92% in the past week, Solana up 14%, BNB 9, XRP 5, Cardano 13, Avalanche at 19%, and Dogecoin at 8.82%. So Bitcoin is what's basically driving everything, since this has this has the biggest market cap, and if the main coins goes up, it is obvious that the rest goes up also. And we have even just hit new numbers in Bitcoin. We hit the $52,000 mark. We hit around 52.4k, I believe, just a couple hours ago, and that was our 2-year high of Bitcoin that we have seen. So yeah, 52.467, that was the price that we have just seen just above an hour ago, and that's what we are continuing to see as we go on in our Bitcoin journey into new high numbers. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about how there's more demand of Bitcoin and less supply. So this is what's causing the price to soar so much, and it's causing the price to go crazy. There's more demand of the ETF and also Bitcoin itself. So that's one of the basic main reasons of the crazy increase in Bitcoin price. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, and if you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live stream I do on this channel, talking about any recent crypto news, anything recent we have seen in the crypto market, and anything recent that's happening. So do make sure to check that live stream out daily. And I also create long form content like this one, talk about any recent crypto patterns that anything is forming, and any recent news that we have seen in the crypto community. So do make sure to check those videos also. So that was about it. If you did enjoy, click the thumbs up button, and also drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos like this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.